Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new fastener by a company called FastenMaster. It's called a VersaLOK and a pretty unique fastener. I will describe it to you after you click that subscribe button. If you haven't done so already, we really appreciate it. Thank you very much for coming to our channel. Welcome. Today's video is about the VersaLOK product, which is very similar to another product we use called a LedgerLOK. Now, LedgerLOK comes in a 3 5/8 and a 5-inch length, and that's it. They're gray in color, and they have two different styles. One has a 5/16 inch head, a hex head, and the other has a T40 head, just like this VersaLOK does. The main difference between the LedgerLOK and the VersaLOK is length and color. So VersaLOK starts at a 6-inch length, and then they also make an 8-inch and a 12-inch, which comes in pretty handy for different length applications. Let's say you're screwing through some longer product, okay, and you need a little bit more length on a fastener, and we've only had 5 inches for use on our TimberLOKs. But the cool thing about this product and the TimberLOKs, it replaces a 1/2-inch lag screw, which we use all the time for fastening our ledgers to the house. If you look up on our ledger, you can see that we have a 3 5/8, well, you can't see the 3 5/8, but it's a 3 5/8 inch LedgerLOK with a T40 bit that comes with the product. So these 6-inch VersaLOKs also come with a T40 bit that fits right in the end of this like so. And that's a really solid way to attach. I like both the 5/16. The reason I like these better though, is because they're flush. So as you can see, when we're installing it on a house, there's a lot of those fasteners that might get hidden behind a joist hanger or behind the joist. If we have a 5/16 inch head and we're not supposed to drive those flush, then all the 5/16 heads are sticking out on the wall or on your project. These will be really nice for pergolas. Maybe you're fastening into, you're using some 2x material, you're fastening into some 6-inch or 12-inch product, or maybe you're screwing a 4x and you need to attach to some 6x. Or something like that. These products will work where maybe the 5-inch fastener wouldn't. You can have a 6 or an 8 that would totally just face right through. Plus it has a nice look. I like these. I'm gonna use these quite often because I like the way they look. It's a T40 bit. We already have that adaptability. It's not a spider drive like some of their other products that they have, which are fine as long as you have those bits, but I've actually been in a situation before where I was using some headlocks, is what they're called, and they're a different size type of head. And I was like, where's that bit? Where's that bit? I had 20 of them, now I have one, and now I can't find that one bit. And then I couldn't use the headlocks because I didn't have a bit for the headlocks. So we always have T40s on board, and they fit really nice. I can sit here and wiggle this, and this, okay, that's pretty good. When, like, let's just say you're in a drill and you just need to hold this and drive it. You have the ability to do that. It's not, you can put a magnetic tip on it as well, but really, for the most part, I don't do that. I just put this into my drill, hook it up, and then run the fastener. I'm not gonna run these into any lumber or anything. Really, this is just more of an informative video to let you know that they have this new line of fasteners that's compatible with a 1/2-inch lag screw in 6, 8, and 10-inch lengths, made by FastenMaster. You can get them at your local lumber yard, possibly at some of your local hardware or big box stores, maybe Home Depot. They carry a lot of FastenMaster's products, so maybe check them out, or go to the FastenMaster website and see where they might sell these near you. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to leave a comment below and like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.